If you want to insert today's date in Excel, calculate deadlines, count days, or even calculate someone's age, then you should know the today function. In this video, I will show you how today function works, starting with the basics and then use it in real examples. So let's get started. The today function does exactly what its name says. It returns today's current date. The best part is that it's very simple because it doesn't need any arguments. Whenever you want to insert today's date into a cell, just type =, today, open parentheses and close parentheses. Press enter and Excel will display today's date. If you don't like the date format, you can easily change it using any built-in or custom date format. Before we look at some examples, here are a few important things about today function. First, today is a volatile function. That means it will update automatically whenever the workbook is open or recalculated. If the date is not updating, your workbook may have automatic calculation turned off. To fix this, go to the Formulas tab, choose Calculation Options, and make sure Automatically is selected. Also, if you need both the current date and the current time, use now function instead of today function. Now that you know the basics, let's look at some practical examples. Example number 1. Add or subtract dates. One of the most common uses of the today function is adding or subtracting dates. For example, if you want the date 15 days from today, simple use =, today function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, plus 15. If you want the date 15 days before today, use =, today function, minus 15. If you only want to count working days and skip weekends, use workday function. To add 15 workdays, use =, workday function, open parenthesis, today function, 15. To finish, close parenthesis and press enter. And to subtract 15 workdays, use workday, today, minus 15. Example number 2. Calculate days until or since a date. You can also calculate how many days are left until a future date. Just subtract today from your target date. For example, =, A2 minus today function, where cell A2 contains your future date. You can also type the date directly into the formula if you prefer. Now, if you want to know how many days have passed since a previous date, simply reverse the calculation. In this case, use =, today function, open parenthesis, close parenthesis, minus A2. This is useful for tracking projects, memberships, subscriptions, and many other situations. If your result doesn't look like a number, change the cell format to general. Example number 3. Calculate age. The today function can also help you calculate someone's age. If the birth date is in the cell B2, use this formula. Here's what happens. Today returns the current date, then Excel subtracts the birth date. The result is divided by 365.25 to include leap years. Finally, the int function removes the decimal part and returns a person's age as a whole number. Example 4. Check the dates. Another useful example is checking whether something is overdue. Imagine you have a list of bills with their due dates. You can combine today with the if function. Use this formula. If the due date is earlier than today, Excel returns overdue. Otherwise, it returns pending. Here's the channel. We have a complete video teaching how to calculate due status in Excel. Please check the link here in the cards. This is very useful for invoice, payments, subscriptions, and task lists. Example 5. Data validation with today function. The today function also works great with data validation. For example, suppose you only want users to enter dates within the next 30 days. First, select the cells, then go to Data Validation, choose Custom, and enter this formula. This formula checks two conditions. First, the date must be today or later. Second, the date must be more than 30 days from today. If both conditions are true, Excel accepts the date. Otherwise, it shows an error message and prevents the entry. This is a great way to control user input and avoid invalid dates. As you can see, the today function is simple but also very powerful. You can use it to insert today's date, calculate future or past date, track deadlines, calculate age, and create smarter spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.